Common animals.
Rabbit,
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbits like to eat carrots.
bat,
Bat. Bat.
bats come out and fly at nighttime.
Goose.
Goose, goose. A goose has a long neck.
Frog.
Frog, frog.
Frogs have webbed feet. Rabbit.
Rabbit,
Bat.
bat. Goose,
Goose.
frog.
Frog. Way.
Will, old,
Way.
will, old. Lay, hat, joy.
Colors.
Green,
Green.
Green is the color of grass.
purple,
Purple.
the spinning purple globe glistens in the light.
Orange.
Orange.
The river looks orange at sunset. Brown.
Brown,
This bird has brown feathers.
Green.
green,
Purple.
purple.
Orange.
Orange.
Brown,
Brown.
cuh, cuh. Cuh, cup. Cup, cuh, cake. Cake, cuh, cage. Cage,
Words start with C.
cat,
Cold.
Cow.
Cage. Cub.
Comb.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Green. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That is right. Orange.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Fantastic! Bat.
Which one is?
Purple. Awesome! Purple.
Which one is?
Frog.
You did it!
Frog.
Can you pick out?
Goose.
Great job!
Goose.
Can you pick out? Old. Fantastic!
Can you pick out? Hat.
That is right! Hooray! You have finished a lesson!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.